Artichokes can be done in many different ways, but one of the most popular in Rome is Carciofi alla Romana, or simply Roman-style artichokes. While it's a really simple dish, in order for it to shine, you need some really good artichokes. And boy, do you get some great artichokes in Rome. I mean, look at this. Now, let's see what goes into artichokes alla Romana. Artichokes themselves, lemon, olive oil, garlic, mentuccia, salt and pepper, and that's it. To prepare the Roman-style artichokes, you should clean them first, so they get from this to this. I have a separate video on how to clean artichokes, but in this video we'll work with the ones that have already been cleaned. Now, the first thing to remember about artichokes is when exposed to air, they will lose that lovely color and turn dark. To prevent this, have some lemon handy. If you're not working on your artichokes, keep them in water containing some lemon juice. Also, they tend to leave some of that color on your hands, so have a pair of rubber gloves handy. But on this channel, we do things the old-fashioned way. So, let's start. First, cut off the excess part of the stems. They're edible, but won't fit in the pan in one piece. Next, we'll prepare our filling, consisting of mentuccia, garlic, salt and pepper. Mentuccia is a variant of mint, a bit more delicate than mint itself, but if you can't find mentuccia, it's perfectly fine to use the mint proper or even parsley. So take the mentuccia, get the leaves off the stem, and cut them with knife without chopping them too much. Then take the garlic, peel it and chop it. Now, there are two schools of thought. One says chop the garlic, and the other one says put the entire clove of garlic in the pan and take it out when you're done cooking. Add a pinch of salt, black pepper and mix everything together. Drain the artichokes to remove the excess water and carve out the last inedible bit, the so-called beard inside of it. Then use your mix to stuff them. Rub them with salt and pepper on the cutting board. Put some olive oil into a pan and then put your artichokes upside down into the pan, keeping them pretty close together. And at this point, add the stems too. Then add some hot water so that the artichokes are covered up to the top of the stem. Cover with a lid and cook for about 20 to 30 minutes on low to medium heat. They will be wonderfully tender, and you can serve your Carciofi alla Romana either warm, not crazy hot, or at room temperature. If you like this video or learned something new, please share, like, subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments below what other videos you'd like to see. Till next time.